ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Kumshi benta jong jing ben kre ya ka MP election ka ba onsa penbena da ka Election Commission of India ka Bharatiya Janata Party ka lapan pau bagi don hadu laingut ki balawan manpan tiket ban Ïakhun ya ka election MP. Habaya kren ba gelat patai khubor unong ai ktien jong ka party uba M Kyrteng. Ulaya thu ba na pedeng kini ki laingut arngut ki de ki senrang bat ka wei kalong keme ki ba pan tiket ban Ïakhun na ka Shillong parliamentary seat.
Something kata untuk women candidate tambah the long pick vulnerability jom candidate ru te mendai tambah iru gidan kibi gibala penpau je kuat ki ban jele ya kini election mentah te we'll have to weigh the vulnerability factor to get candidates and accordingly then we will send it to Delhi for approval and ultimately Delhi will approve which the best candidate. Yeah. One lady candidate is there who's indicated her keenness to contest the elections, and we'll definitely look into it also. Including Kiba ru Kiba wa ek BJP ticket, kita Kiba ru ki ongba ki kwa banya le na BJP ticket, bang lada kim yo ba ru doesn't matter, kim dum contest yo. That is one thing. I mean, they are all party workers, so they'll abide by what the party tells them to do.
So,
two are male and one is a lady. He has expressed, not that he has expressed, but we as a party also, definitely we would like a 6-time MLA to be a party candidate. We have not been able to discuss, but informally, yes. He also indicated, that he said it's up to the Central High Command, and if they ask him to contest elections, definitely he will contest.